Keep the change.
Here is $20 for the fare. Keep the change.
How's it going?
Hey Sarah. How's it going with your new project?
I didn't quite catch that.
Sorry, it's a bit noisy in here. I didn't quite catch that.
Is there a delay on this flight?
Excuse me, is there a delay on the flight to London?
Mind if I sit here?
Excuse me, mind if I sit here? All the other tables are full.
That makes sense.
Ah, okay. Now that you explain it that way, that makes sense.
Can you call a taxi for me?
I need to get to the airport soon. Can you call a taxi for me?
It's up to you.
We can get pizza or sushi for dinner tonight, it's up to you.
Where's the boarding gate?
Excuse me, where is the boarding gate for flight 402?
What have you been up to?
Long time no see. What have you been up to lately?
Could you give me a hand?
I'm trying to move this heavy desk, could you give me a hand?
I'm running a bit late.
Traffic is terrible today, so I'm running a bit late for our meeting.
Where is the nearest restroom?
Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom in this terminal?
I'd like to check in, please.
Hello, I have a reservation under Smith and I'd like to check in, please.
Could you slow down a bit?
Sorry, I didn't catch that, could you slow down a bit?
What do you do for a living?
It's nice to meet you. What do you do for a living?
Which gate does this flight depart from?
Excuse me, which gate does the flight to London depart from?
Could I have a window seat?
If it's still available, could I have a window seat, please?
I'm looking forward to it.
Thanks for inviting me to the party, I'm really looking forward to it.
I'm running a bit late.
Sorry, traffic is terrible today. I'm running a bit late.